What is going on, guys? Hess here, CollectiveKicks.com. If you guys want to shop this week's top sneaker deals, check the link in the description, and happy shopping. Today's video, I have a bunch of random pickups that I wanted to show you guys, and I actually went to Index PDX in Portland, Oregon, and I got a pair of sneakers from Index that I'm pretty sure nobody's going to know. It's just a random pair that they had in stock. Super dope in my opinion, but everybody's probably going to flame me later in the video. That being said, I'm going to show you guys Index PDX and what they had in store.
Perfect. Perfect.
All right, so as you can see, I picked up one thing from both stores. I'll start off with Unspoken. I picked up a shirt from them. This is a Tabor-made shirt, which is a Portland-made shirt. And you can find this stuff at his shop, Unspoken, which is the logo that you see right here. So, and then I'll show you guys this Index pickup because this is kind of what you guys probably came here for. And here is the box. Man, I love these boxes. They're just so crazy. And this is a pair of sneakers that I don't think anybody is gonna know. And boom, there we go. These are the shoes that I picked up, and I have a feeling that maybe nobody knows what these are. So leave a comment in the comment section at this point if you know what these are. I'll go ahead and wait, and curious to see what you guys say, because a lot of people are gonna say that these are ugly and terrible looking and everything else, but I would have to disagree. I actually love this shoe. I used to have it back in the day, and I know it looks a little bit funky like this, so I'll show you guys what they look like on feet. So this shoe is the Nike Air Zoom Spiridon, and that's all it says on the box. In fact, I'll show you. And there it is on the box. It says just the Air Zoom Spiridon. It doesn't say 2003 or the Spiridon 75 or whatever. Spiridon is an older shoe, so this was interesting to me because actually this was my very first Spiridon. I didn't know they had any previous to this. So when they had a retro one come back, I was like, whoa, they have like a different version. I didn't realize that because I didn't know the old original shoe. And this is the one I'm talking about. So a lot of people know this Spiridon model because it was the one that they retroed a lot, like in the last 2 years. But this is one of like the original, I guess, Spiridons. And correct me in the comment section if you guys know, because I'm not a historian and I don't know the history of when this shoe came out. And I didn't prep the video or anything like that, so I didn't look it up. But this is a stash version that I got for super cheap at the Nike outlet. I'm super stoked on this one. Just a really, really dope colorway. But this is the original Spiridon. This is the Spiridon that is like the original Spiridon to myself. And I got this one back in 2003 when they released. And I had this one in this colorway as well as the blue colorway. But I remember this shoe being so incredible because it was super lightweight and it had this visible zoom air on the back. And I didn't understand what visible zoom air was for the longest time, but once I saw it and you could see the stacks like actually compress like this, when you step in them, I was just instantly sold. I was like, whoa, that's like crazy science or something, dudes. And like, I really, really like the shoes. So I thought it was just super futuristic, very lightweight. It's a running shoe, but it's one that I wore casually way back then. And I absolutely love this shoe. Leave a comment if the on feet section actually changes your mind of this shoe, because a lot of people are going to look at this and go, those are terrible looking. Why would you buy those? Especially, why would you pay $170 for those? So it said $200 on the box, but it was actually $170 in store. So I was looking around to find something to buy, and this was the one I had to come away with. And they actually have a bunch more sizes and colors of these on Index's website. So if you guys remember these or are interested in a pair, check the link in the description to go over to Index and have fun shopping around. They had some crazy stuff in the store, and it's always fun to be able to just pop through there and spend some time looking through, because I can look through the shelves 3 or 4 times and then finally see the one that I need to come out of the store with. And this is what I had to make happen. So super crazy, super weird, and like, I absolutely love this shoe. And this is part of the reason why I still love sneakers, I think. I mean, this came out in 2003. Like, it's just a random no-name shoe that nobody cares about. And it's just one that I saw, and it was like an instant, yes, they have my size. Yes, I love this colorway. And I put it on in store to make sure it was my right size, and like, it was perfect, man. It looked so good on feet, felt so good. So I just had to cop these. So $170 on these. Shout out to Index, people over there, because man, it's just a fun shop in Portland. It's a must-stop shop if you guys are sneaker people. you have to come through Index. And also, they blessed me with another shirt. Man, I wish Mikey wouldn't do this because I wanted to pay. That is the Index logo. And then on the back, it does say Index on the top up there. So I plan on going to ComplexCon in Long Beach. So check me out. I should be wearing this shirt probably the first or second day. But anyways, just showing some of the Portland love here. Also, I ended up getting a couple things here that I thought was kind of cool. So this is a sunglass company called Knockaround. So the dude, Nick Anvil, actually hit me up and said that Knockaround would send me some shades. So here are two of them right here. Kind of a Concord color right here. And then blue and black pair. And then there's a black and red pair. And when I asked my son which is his favorite pair, he said he liked these ones the best, which I would agree. These ones are the best. They have a crazy two-tone color to them. But kind of a cool little company. The glasses are super cheap, which is the best part. They're like $10, $15. So because of that, I mean, it is like a really dope brand. The fact that it is kind of like a knockaround pair of glasses that you can just grab and throw on and not care about. Because glasses are expensive, man, and honestly, most of the time I lose them if I have glasses, or my wife definitely loses hers. So these are going to be some nice little burner pairs for her. But shout out to Nick. He actually sent me a note here, and he gave me a couple codes to the Knockaround site so you can actually design your own pairs. I'm not going to do a giveaway or anything. This is just the codes right here. And first come, first serve, whoever actually gets this and wants to buy them, make the purchase happen. And then leave a comment, let me know if you actually got them. But I figured I'd just do a random thing like that, so whoever's quick enough to go to the site and write that down and get your free pair of glasses. Hopefully somebody gets them, and hopefully somebody leaves a comment in the comment section. Shout out to you guys for watching the video, though. At this point, if you guys want to give the video a thumbs up, I always appreciate it if you guys do that. Also, I wanted to show you guys a couple other random things as I have you guys. And this little mysterious envelope was the biggest bunch of trash ever. So I finally got the hyped up, unbelievable, limited edition Travis Scott spoon. And this is like the cheapest spoon I've ever seen. This one looks like it actually went through the garbage disposal. And I bet you anything, this one would not pass StockX's, thing or whatever. I mean, it's just super terrible quality. This is what $10 spoon gets you. That's selling for like $25. But luckily, there is the counterpart to that I got as well. Finally, that is a little bit better. So here is a look at the bowl. This is definitely better quality, but I mean, it's not like any better than a quality bowl that you buy for $5 in the grocery store, maybe $4. It says Reese's Puffs on it, as you can see. Don't cry over spilt milk. And Cactus Jack here. And then you can see the little tears on the bottom down here. So Cactus Jack bowl spoon combo, totally not worth your money. But I also have the other thing that's not worth your money, and that's the cereal box that was broken. So I can't remember if I already showed this to you guys or not, but this is a Palace t-shirt that I got the other week. It is the Rolls emblem one. I don't even know why I bought it, honestly. I was like, oh, cool, Palace drop. And then I bought it, and I was like, okay, so that was it. So I don't know why I bought this, but got it nonetheless. Kind of cool. And then the last thing, I got a mysterious package delivered to my old house again. Luckily, I still own the house and I have renters in there that are super dope, and they let me know if packages are on the porch. Otherwise, I would have missed this one again. This is like the third or fourth package I've gotten like that. But this is from Asics, as you can see. And this color is pretty crazy with the maroon and the greens and the blues. It reminds me of like a Tommy Hilfiger or like Ralph Lauren style like sneaker, you know what I mean? That sweater style. And then the other one is an Asics gel, Kayano 5 OG. This one I think is fire looking. This one definitely reminds me of like Tommy Hilfiger era, like way back in the day, and Ralph Lauren, and then like just crazy like suede on this one. It looks really nice. And the color combination just reminds you of like Fresh Prince of Bel-Air, like school preppy vibes. All right, so that makes more sense. I just looked it up. This is part of an academic pack, so that makes more sense. It has that preppy school vibes on it for sure. Thanks to the dudes over at Asics for sending me a couple random pairs again. Much appreciated. But this is the big one that I got that most people are probably shaking their heads over. But I love this shoe, though. I think it's so dope. And leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think about it. I mean, honestly, be honest. New generation or old generation, if anybody remembers these, I always love to see those comments of dudes going, yeah, I used to have those. They were great. Even the comments that say, yeah, those are terrible. I used to have them and they're still terrible. I mean, I'll take it. I'll take any comments you guys want to leave. But anyway, thank you guys for stopping by and watching. I'm much appreciated to you guys that still support the channel. Stop by on a regular basis. You guys rock. Have a good rest of the day, and we will see you for some more sneaker videos very soon. Peace, guys.